Hello students, in last part we read about the credit. How bank provide credit or loan to a person. And then now our next topic is self-help group. This is the last and important topic of the money and credit lesson. What is self-help group? Who formed this group? Self-help group are formed by the rural women in the rural areas. And what are the main function of the self-help group? Firstly, in this group, self-help group, there are 15 to 20 members who take participation in the self-help group. And who are these members? These are the members of the neighbors who met and saved regularly. Then saving rupees, how much they can save? The saving rupees 25 to 100 per members, not more, 25 to 100 per member. And self-help group grants small loan to its member. Those are the member of this group. If they have need for the credit or loan, then self-help group provide them loan. Does not ask for the collector. In bank, when we have take the loan to, then bank takes then bank take some things to us, such as land, other property, gold and money, other things, so many things like this. Then this is the function of the self-help group. It has 15 to 20 members. These are members met regularly and neighborhood, save money, and they can deposit 25 to 100 rupees as a per member, and then self-help group provide them loan. No need for anything when they provide the loan. What are the main objectives behind the self-help group? Firstly, first objective is self-help group to enhance the participation. Second is to create saving habit, to enhance capabilities of the women. Sense of collective action also increase with the help of self-help group, to act as a successful base to improve socio-economic status, to create sensitive form for addressing needs of the people. So these are the main objectives behind the self-help group. Firstly, participation, then saving help also developed due to the self-help group, and then sense of collective responsibility, and this is the main act as a successful base. Now, what are the advantages of the self-help group? Main advantage of the self-help group. Self-help group create the habit of taking initiative. Second is, it enables ownership of assets. Third is sense of responsibility. Self-help group create the sense of responsibility in its member. Then help in capacity building. By the self-help group, its member become self-confidence, self-esteem occur in them. Promote mutual help. Encourage resource pooling. Provide channel for function. So students, these are the advantages of the self-help group. Once again, self-help group increase the habit of taking initiative, enable ownership of assets, sense of responsibility also occur due to this, help in capacity building, self-confidence occur, self-esteem also occur, and promote mutual help. We can do with the help of this group each other's help. So create mutual help. encourage resources pooling and provide channel for functioning. So students, this lesson is completed. In this lesson we read firstly about money, its importance, barter system, transactions. Then we read the modern currency of the money. Then next topic is loan, how bank provide the loan us. Then we read about the credit, from where we can take the loan, formal or informal sector, what is the interest, rate of interest there. Then last important topic is self-help group. Thanks, stay home, stay safe.